How should investors be processing all of this today?
Well, it's a little difficult. You remember on Friday, everybody was talking about being within a week of signing a deal. We heard from Mnuchin and Kudlow and others that we were getting very close, that many things have been removed. And then suddenly, over the weekend, the president surprised everybody with these tweets. Now, what the market's going to watch for is, will the Chinese delegation continue to be coming to the U.S. further in the negotiation? Will they be bringing the vice premier with them? So those are two touch marks. I think the way the market's trading right now is they think negotiations are still going on. There's a chance for a deal, but it certainly looks like it's been delayed. And there are some things that are going to be a little tougher to work out than anybody thought.
If you look at where the pain is, Art, technology, materials, industrials, companies that have exposure to China, which is typically what we see, everything from JD.com to the semiconductors also getting hit pretty hard. Those groups have been very strong lately. So do you see this today as a one-day blip until there's more information, or do you get out of it because the whole China deal looks uncertain?
Well, I don't think you can say that quite yet. The idea of people running out of those positions or those industries on the basis of a couple of weekend tweets doesn't really look right. I think the market believes that it's in the president's best interest to get a trade deal done. He looks like he wants to run on the economy, and one of the things you need to keep this economy going is continuing world trade. And the Democrats appear that they're going to give him a hard time about the successor to NAFTA and a variety of other things. So he can't afford too many surprises. So the gut feel down here is that somewhere they'll find a way to renegotiate a trade deal.
Oh, but when you've got the election a year and a half away, right, and you're playing with house money for now, with markets at all-time highs, what's the harm for the White House in letting this drag on 6 months, a year, and then letting the top off the kettle?
Well, he's got to believe that it's in China's best interest, too. Otherwise, you run the risk of, as I said, it would send a very strong message to the market if China announced that the delegation is not coming. And I think the sell-off would reaccelerate. We were lucky we bounced off the 2,900 area, the 26,000 area. You could get more damage done. And so I think the next couple of days are going to be very important. You want to see the delegation come. You want to hear some feedback. We'll know pretty soon if they wheel out Mnuchin and Kudlow that they're trying to calm things down here.